So this is my first drone. I've been wanting to get one of these for a long time. So Kim's not here, it's just me. She's out of town, but don't worry, we'll be seeing her soon. We're gonna do an unboxing with this. I'm gonna go get the boat. It's over at the storage right now. I've got some other work that I wanna do on it. All right, here at the storage place. We're gonna go ahead and get the boat. I gotta move all this stuff. We'll make it happen. Hey, plug this thing in. All right, so we got that. Now let's take a look at our case that we got with it too. All right, so since I just opened this out of the box, I know this is gonna have to get charged. All those green lights. We're going to let this fully charge, and then afterwards, we are gonna go test it out. All right, so Kim's out here. She's flying this, literally, she is flying this for the first time. I've practiced with this a few times. Oh, was that a stingray? Shoot!